Hey guys, how the heck are you? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having an awesome day. Don't mind my weird hair. I don't know what it's doing, but big video on the Supra. We have taken off, or you guys will see us take off, the front bumper, and both of the fenders are now off, and this thing looks like, I don't even know, it looks like it got into a huge accident, even though it didn't, just because it's missing all the front panels. But yeah, we are taking them off, and we're going to fix up rust, and pretty soon, guys, we are going to get those painted, which is pretty cool. We got the rug and the seats painted, so you guys will get to see that. So with that said, let's get right into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Right now, I'm going to vacuum these rugs. Hey, Phineas. He hasn't been in any of these videos. I'm going to vacuum out these rugs, because they are just disgusting, and then what we are going to do is we have this dye stuff. We're going to re-dye the rugs black, because the interior of this car used to be black. Those seats used to be black, but now they're purple because they're faded. Vacuum up all these rugs, clean them up, and then we're going to dye them black again. And I also have to vacuum some stuff out of this fender. So, yeah, we're getting somewhere, guys. I got these things vacuumed out a little bit. Right now I'm working on getting this headlight out. I unhooked it from the motor so I can move it freely. I have to get the motor out right now, and then we're most likely going to have to take the battery out to access the points behind the headlight to take it out. So let's do that. The other headlight out, guys. Woohoo! We got some dye stuff that we're gonna try on the carpet.
How is it coming out clear? Oh, there it comes.
There we go.
Holy shit, that stuff's intense. Stinks though, just like the other stuff.
I just figured this thing out. It moves the sides of the seat so it holds you in really good. Repainting the rug, guys. Guys, look how much this thing faded. It's all black back here. That's the original color of the seat.
Oh, sweet. That's freaking cool.
Guys, look at this difference.
Oh, you know what?
And faded.
Oh, no way. That's a different... That's actually a physically... Oh, no way. That's a different part of the seat.
Oh, no way.
Oh, that's freaking sweet. That's going to make this freaking easy. You just got to vacuum all these parts individually.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. I've never seen this. Yeah, the only thing we're going to have to mask... There's like a little edge of blue there, but I'm not worried about it.
We'll just have to mask the top part of it so we don't overspray this when we paint it.
We'll just drape the whole thing.
Gotta give a shout out to Toyota on this one. I mean, these seats are already crazy because they're super adjustable, super comfortable, and they hold you in like a racing seat. And you can also take them completely apart. So this is gonna be awesome, guys. It's gonna be super easy to paint this. It's kind of cool too because you can see all the mechanisms that move all the parts. Got all the airline tubing back here for the lumbar support. So yeah, guys, this is pretty awesome. This seat also does the exact same thing, so we're gonna take that one apart as well. So yeah, we're gonna paint the seats up, make them look nice, just like we did with the carpets, and then we're not gonna put them back in yet because we still have some rust areas to fix on the inside of the car, but it's definitely getting there, guys. guys, I already have the other seat masked up and everything is all vacuumed and all good, ready to paint. Right now I'm going to mask up this seat really quick, and then we're going to get all the parts of these seats dyed, and hopefully we can have them back together, and we will have pretty much everything ready to put back in the car. All we will have to do is fix a little rust hole in the bottom of the car, but we'll get to that eventually. But right now we're going to get these seats ready to be put back together and everything. Alright guys, we got the seat all masked up. If you're wondering what we're going to do in the middle, we're probably just going to put some newspaper in the middle so we don't waste all of our painter's tape. But yeah, at this point we're going to paint all these parts, get the seats back together, and yeah, we'll pretty much have the interior ready to go back in the car once we start fixing stuff. Alright guys, I know I didn't record the rebuild process, but we have the seats pretty much re-dyed and put back together. Not sure if we're going to have to put a second coat on them, but they look good, so I don't think we're going to have to. We still have to do the back seats, but other than that, these are looking really good, guys. Alright, so we are about to take the front bumper of the car off. We're going to do this because it's just going to make it easier to get this fender off, and we have to do it anyways because we're going to get these parts painted, because we have to get the car painted a different, well, what we're going to do is we're going to paint it the original OEM color, which is super red. As you guys already know, someone repainted over it, but they did a horrible job. So what we're going to do is eventually we're going to get the car repainted the OEM color. And right now we are going to take the front bumper off so we can get to everything and make the process go along quicker. You guys can't even see it because my camera's not even focusing. But yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. Finally got the front bumper off. That was a huge ordeal. That looks really weird. Other one, on this side.
It has to come out from the front.
These? Oh no, there's screws in there.
You gotta be shitting me.
It's the bracket with, it's back here.
Huh?
It's in the back.
Jesus. There. This part right here.
Stuck. You want me to shut the door?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Ew. How did we do this last time?
just started it.
That was a lot easier. There's all the gross stuff from inside of it. So here's the car, and it looks pretty interesting. No fender, no bumper, no other fender. Motor looks good though, except you can't see it because I have my sweatshirt on it. We're getting somewhere with this. Oh, there's little clips.
This one. There. It's cracked.
And one little part.
And the edge, but...
Yeah, guys, in case you don't know, I've looked for these before, and the only ones I found were like a couple $100. So yeah, we got to be careful with these because I do not want to break them. Because for some reason, these are money. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, the bumper and the fenders were a pain to take off. If any of you guys are gonna do that, let me know down below in the comments and I can try to help you figure out the easiest way to do it. Because after taking the one fender off, the second one was a lot easier to take off. That will do it for this week's video. Next week, we will have more stuff on this car. We're going to finally start to fix rust. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your week. Bye, guys.